Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog.
Morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Today is the 6th of January. Not much happening today. Had no plans because I was supposed to be on the road all day. So we're going to make the most of it and do some jobs around the house today. By the looks of this weather, it's going to be an inside day today. Got the hang of it, Colton?
Yep. Colton! Colton! Oh no! Colton! That scared me.
A bit of a fail. We've made it to town to get the glass for Kira's window and they're closed. It is Friday. It's possibly still closed for New Year's, not sure why. What's it say?
They close before Christmas and open Monday the 16th of January.
Monday the 16th?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got to wait another week.
Yes.
Okay, I'm glad I didn't take that glass out early to measure before we came to town.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got to wait another week for that. Never mind.
Well, hopefully the weather's a bit better by then.
And 1 to 10 it is. Minor 10 was a success. We got everything we needed from there that I can think of. Off to New World now. That one. Is that the one you want? Is that the one you want?
Kinda. I just want to have this one and this one. Can
No.
I have this one tomorrow?
No. Which one do you want?
This one.
Harley, is that good? Finn, is that a good one?
Yes.
Colton, how's your drink?
1,000 out of 10.
1,000 out of 10. I think we are done in town. Is that everything?
Everything on the list.
Everything on the list?
Been checked off.
Time to head back to the office and get these jobs done at home. We've got everything sorted apart from that glass for that window, so never mind about that.
Mine tastes like mango. And you forgot about my chocolate.
We got your chocolate, I just didn't let you see it. Ha ha. preparing the work area. Working outdoors in summer in New Zealand. And they're right along there. Just to fill you in on what we're up to, this bit of wood we're cutting here and marking is going to cover the gap in the window so we can install the portable air conditioner in the bedroom. Side should slide up. Luckily we put the holes in it. Yeah. Done. Right, I think my little bit of DIY at home's all done for the day. Got the new air conditioning vent in, got the new connector on the toilet on where it was leaking from my DIY from the other day. So everything seems to be working. Touch wood. Well, that vent looks a little bit sticky outy too far. Just tilt that down, might be better. Right, it's working. Probably stuck it through a bit far. I didn't realise how far I'd put it through.
That looks a bit rude.